Nalanda IAS Academy Prelims Test Series. Basic Test Series Module for Beginners. Advanced Test Series Module for Average Students. Master Test Series Module for Expert Students. 1+1 Revision Strategy. Total 50 test. 42 test of General Studies. 8 full test of Civil Services Aptitude test. Category-wise test analysis. Tests available: classroom test and online test. Special features: tests based on the UPSC pattern. Tests of quality rather than quantity. Classroom tests to offer real test environment. Register yourself, hurry. For more details visit www.nalandaias.com.